guys. Ang tagmangga. So kani nga mangga, ipangayon ako din sa kung ano barkada sa ubos. Ginatawag ni diri sa amo as Cebu. Cebu ni siya, mao ni ang pinakaaslom og pinakatamis inig mohinog. Cebu. Cebu guys, seri. Ito ang panitan. Kaya para ato ng kaun. Ito na nato na siya. Diretso na siya panit kaya para wala hasol. Okay. Napanitan na. And then ang atong isuwaan ni is gabi butang adres panit. Gabi nagisa ko og ginamos. And then wa man nahurot. Sa gula na to ginamos. Pakita ko to nimo guys. Nagisa mo ko ginamos gabi muna itong iparis. Mao na ni siya. Dili butang na to diri gusto na ko kanang isagol lang gud siya. Mga guys, so akong kayo. Mangga with ginamos. Mga bawal maglaway. Bawal maglaway ha.
Lack of wrist action as well. We have not seen a successful back row attack so far coming from both teams. There you have the Charger.
I wonder what's going through his mind right now.
I think I could read his mind.
I'm sure he is
Dugay na ko kaog manggada.
tired, but just
First game, of course.
this could be an opening for them to pull away.
But of course, Megs, it's the Pool B games today. And of course, this is the first game for each team. So there are real mishaps here. So
Lami siya.
lead to the semifinals and quarterfinals. Those are all gone by the time.
To remind everybody, as that was a tough chase for Iris Toledada. So we have a very complicated
Mao ni siya pinakaaslom inighilaw.
Pitch late.
Mao po ni pinakatamis iniginog.
timeout.
Napahirapan yung center natin. Tinatarget niya. Tinatarget niya. Ikaw ang tinatarget. Receive lang naman.
Pero mao ni ang pinaka mahal nga mangga diri. Cebu. Mao ni ang gina-export Manila.
All eyes on Shola Alvarez to get some retribution and to target apparently Akari with her services.
That is the strategy of Hikari, but the receive is not in the perfect spot for Iris Toledada. She did say, don't worry.
Nami pud kay ginamos kay pinirito.
All of a sudden, you can always expect a perfect receive because the surface receive is one of the hardest skills to master in volleyball.
14-11, and Mitch Cobb is quite a good server, by the way.
We all know this.
Alvarez throws toward Danny Rabel with a dig. Intercept Vilaxina. That goes down.
Vilaxina continuously going for the cross-court attack. Danny Ravenna getting that perfect up here. Michelle Cobb with that perfect set. This is the team where
Mitch Cobb out in the middle. Camille couldn't score. Counter through Marino. Dropping it. Read well by the Chargers. Vilaxina to the back row. And then there was a touch.
touch from Iris as she went to that 1-2 place.
We now had our seventh extra time on the running, looking both ways.
Olympic Games under 2024. One Sports.
Thank you.